How to get started with cleanvoice. Step 1, just drag and drop your files into cleanvoice, either your video or audio, and then press upload. If you add more than one file into cleanvoice, we will ask you if it's a multi-track file or a batch edit. Multi-track file means that you have your speakers in various files. So speaker 1 on file number 1, speaker 2 on file number 2. Batch editing means that all the files are independent, so there could be each its own episode. While the files are uploading, we will ask you how cleanvoice should edit your podcast. For example, let's say you want to have the podcast edited and also have a podcast summary from it, then you can select the edit everything and summarize. However, let's say you have a audio which you want to edit but not cut it out so you can sync it with a video, then you can select the mute edits function. With cleanvoice, you can create custom templates specific for your needs. For example, let's say you have an audiobook and you don't want to remove hesitations since you want those dramatic pauses for your storytelling. Then you can edit some features, for example, the hesitation, and then save this as a custom template. And you can use this for future projects. Once you selected your template as settings, cleanvoice will start processing your video or audio. It will take about 10 to 50 minutes for every 1 hour of audio you've uploaded. Once the editing is complete, you'll be shown here the results. You can download the file, but you can also see the other stuff. So for example, if you activated the transcription functionality, you can see here the transcripts. You can export them as well in various formats. You also get the summary of your podcast, your show notes, chapters, and your social media stuff as well if you added them. If you want to see the edits, you see here the edited podcast, and you can turn this on and off to see the before and after. And here it's highlighted what we've removed. That's everything you need to know about cleanvoice. You're ready to upload your file.